Back on your winner take all. Gates open, they're up and racing. Supercharged, moving up by the rail. Bahala na. Moving up to take second is Euromax. Then moving up in between runners, Touch of Gold. Buko Juice running on the outside. Good Humor. Elusive Win Bavola. While near at hand is running at the tail of the field. As they pass the half-mile pole, bahala na. Leading the field, Touch of Gold in between runners. Supercharged running on the outside, then followed by Euromax, Buko Juice. Together is Good Humor as they round towards the 450. Now we have three runners in a battle royale running by the rail. Bahala na. In between runners, Touch of Gold, Supercharged, moving up on the outside and charging strongly towards the 250. Supercharged takes the lead. Bahala na. Shuffle back in second in between runners, Touch of Gold. Supercharged this time by about 2 lengths. Running in second, Touch of Gold. Bahala na. Shuffle back in third, Good Humor. And finally, Supercharged. Touch of Gold, Good Humor, Buko Juice. Bahala na. Viva Bola.
Okay, 98371. Unofficial order of arrival crossing the wire first.